Adding negative numbers. You will notice that there are two negative numbers here, -7 and -1. -7 is written without brackets and -1 is written in brackets. Why is that so? Because you cannot have two signs together. If -1 was written without brackets, then the plus sign and minus sign will come together. Let me show you. It would, if we write it like this, -7 plus minus 1. This will not be correct because the plus sign and minus sign will be together. You cannot have two signs at the same time. So we'll remove this. Now, so the convention is that wherever necessary, you will put the negative number in bracket. Having done that, when we have to solve these sums, we have to first open the bracket. And wherever there is a bracket, the sign before the bracket is multiplied with the sign inside the bracket. So, -7 will be written as it is, and then plus and minus signs will be multiplied. When the signs are multiplied, if the signs are different, one is plus and one is minus, then the product is minus sign. And when the signs are the same, then the product is plus. So plus into minus is minus. You will gradually remember this. So plus into minus is -1. Now we have two numbers and both have negative signs. So when the numbers have the same sign, either positive or negative, the numbers are added. So this will be 8, 7 and 1, 8, and the sign will be minus. Because both numbers are negative, the result is also negative. -7 minus 1 is -8. Now you have learnt two important things here. One is, I am writing on the side, plus sign, I am writing in bracket, into minus sign is equal to minus sign. Second thing that you have learnt is, if both numbers are negative, they are to be added. Both numbers negative, then you have to add. Do remember these. These are the essential rules. So now we will hide scratchpad and feed the answer. -8. (9 plus -7). Again, we are going to first write 9 as it is. This is positive number. Then multiply plus into minus, and that will become -7. And 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. Three is positive. Plus into minus is minus. We are opening the bracket. 1, and this is equal to 2. Now equal to minus 2 comes as it is, plus into minus is minus 5. And as I have told you before, when both numbers are negative, the result is negative and the numbers are added. So the answer is minus 7. Here one number is negative and one number is positive. When one number is negative and one number is positive, then it is subtraction. Remember the rule. Same signs add, different signs subtract. Let me write it down here. Same signs, then you add. The sign may be positive or negative. Different signs, then subtract. Now what do we subtract? Which one from which number from which number? Bigger from smaller. Bigger minus smaller. Subtract bigger minus smaller. And then take sign of bigger number. This rule you have to remember. First of all, are the signs same? No, they are different. So we have to subtract. And what do we subtract? We subtract the smaller number from bigger number. So smaller number is 5, bigger number is 5, 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. And the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 9. And what is the sign? Minus. So this is a very, very important rule that you have to always remember. When the numbers have different signs, one number is positive and one number is negative, then you have to subtract. You have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. That is bigger minus smaller. And you have to take the sign of the bigger number. So minus 4. Minus 4. This is equal to minus 2 comes as it is, plus into minus is minus 7. Both numbers have the same sign, so they are added. 2 and 7, 9. And the sign of both the numbers is minus. These rules are going to be written in the description of this video. So you can refer to the rules there. This is equal to 7 comes as it is. then plus into minus minus 7. And how much is 7 minus 7? 0.